Ex with benefits actress Colleen Garcia nibutyag na daghan siyang give, forgive, and forget. Si Jad Conde sa Showbiz Chika.
Sa gipahigayon nga Skype interview kagahapon sa Radisson Blu na hinapi sa entertainment group sa Cebu Media, ang ex with benefits star kinsa mo'y leading lady sa most controversial movie karong tuiga. Usa sa mga tema niini maong pag-forget and forgive sa mga tawo nga nalambigit romantically sa atong kinabuhi. Si Colleen miingon nga ang pag-forgive kinahanglang buhaton para sa aymong kaugalingon.
In life, a lot of people are going to hurt you, whether it's intentional or it's accidental or hindi sinasadya. I feel like in life, you really will get hurt no matter what. So it's really about how you're going to deal with your problems, how you're going to face it. Kasi if you dwell on it, if you keep it, pag kinimkim mo sa loob, parang parang ikaw lang yung mabibigatan, ikaw lang yung mahihirapan, hindi yung taong ikinagagalit mo, hindi yung taong may ginawa sa'yo, ikaw pa rin. So I feel like forgiveness isn't really something that you do for the other person, but it's something you do for yourself.
Ang aktres nga bida usab sa teleseryeng Passion de Amor, may butyag nga respeto ang the best way to confront a problem.
I guess it also depends on the problem. But you try to deal with it in such a way that you don't hurt other people, you don't step on other people. You just have to do it with utmost respect. I feel like yun talaga. Kailangan mo ng respect, whether it's for the people around you, for the people involved, or even for yourself. You really have to respect yourself also first.
Gibutyag usab sa aktres nga nakita na siyang showbiz boyfriend nga si Billy Crawford ang iyang mga sexy scenes ug wala kini mitabon sa iyang mga mata.
I wanted him to close his eyes because I was shy. Pero he didn't close his eyes. He watched the whole film. And he said, he was expecting it because it was marketed really as something sexy. Pero when you watch the movie, the most that I showed is my back. So, diba? Parang my back tsaka bra. Apart from that, wala namang panty, wala namang anything, walang thrusting, diba? So, he told me that he actually imagined it would be a lot more daring than that.
Si Colleen mapasalamaton sa iyang leading man nga si Derek Ramsey tungod sa pagka-gentleman sa aktor sa dihang gihimo nila ang mga sexy scenes. Gani, daghang siyang nakuhang leksyon isip artista gikan ni Derek.
It's good that I'm working with somebody so professional. I'm so thankful talaga. Kaya sinasabi ko talaga, I don't know how I would have been able to do it if it won't be Derek talaga. If di si Derek yung partner ko. Kasi naging partner talaga siya. Lahat ng kailangan gawin ng partner, yung mag-aalalay, nagawa niya. And I feel like the whole time he was protecting me pa. Kunwari kung may mga hindi kailangan sa eksena, sasabihin niya, Derek, okay lang kahit wag na ito kasi hindi naman kailangan. Tinutulungan niya talaga all the time. And he really made sure that I was always safe, I was always protected, na hindi ako nasisilipan or anything. Siya talaga yung nag-make sure na okay.
Ang ex with benefits nga naa na sa ika-second week of showing padayong gipasalida sa mga sinihan. Alang sa Showbiz Chika, kini si Jad Conde.